I can't move my arm, but I can move my body. I remove my tourniquet, I flip it down like so, and it's not going right. Now I'm all sorts of fucked up. That's all right though, because I can use my foot to get it going, right? So I just use my foot to kind of open it up for me. Now, I wanna make sure everything's good to go. And then I use a swinging motion. Now notice I can't move my arm, but I can move my body. Everybody watch this. So I create space. Y'all see that space? I go up and I catch my arm. Y'all see that movement? See, notice how the red is pointing toward me. So now I can grab it over here and pull toward me. I have a mechanical advantage to get it applied. So once again, I create space, not moving my arm at all. And then I pull this tight. I do my twists. I'm about to do 3. All right. Again, I make sure I get that all the way into the clip. And I do my time strap.